Hey, Ori. Hey, guys. I'm gonna give off it. I'm so used to you doing your makeup and yapping. Now I'm gonna start doing my makeup again next week. I've just been sick. That's why I've just been like quiet. Hey, Benny. When enebula ina, but I love this weather. Like I even said that once it rains, I'm gonna like feel better. Cause yeah, the sun was way too hot this past week. No, I didn't just wake up. I was actually watching Netflix. I've been in bed for the past 4 days because I'm sick. But I'm better now, so that's good, I guess. And all the videos that I've been posting are like I pre-recorded them, so that's the good side of it. However, I posted a video I think I posted a video yesterday and I took it down because I liked something, people didn't like it, but I'm not in the business of convincing people, you know? So I'm just like, if you don't like it and I like it, then I'll just keep it to myself. Like, it's my memories, you know? So, I'm not in a business of like explaining myself to people. Yo, Hey, Zo, I'm really not. I think that's why I would really struggle with being a lifestyle creator because, like, people will scrutinize your life. You'd say, oh, guys, I bought myself an Audi A1 because the Audi is such a nice car. People will be like, why an Audi A1? You should rather get a Kia because it's more affordable. You should rather get, now you have to explain yourself that, no, but I really love Audi. No, I don't like explaining myself to people. I went out yesterday and I'm still drunk. Oh, girl, as long as you get better. I prefer yours. Exactly. So like now you have to explain yourself and why you like what you like. I don't do that honestly. Like no. But I'm probably gonna repost that video. I'm just gonna remove what people don't like because I'm not gonna explain myself, you know? But like yeah, like lifestyle creators, because once people don't like something, instead of focusing on the rest of the video, now your comments are just about that one thing that people don't like. And it's like I created a video that's so beautiful, but you're just focusing on that one thing that you don't like. It defeats the purpose of the video. You get me? Hey, Palisa. And like, what I don't like about hate comments is the fact that one hate comment, like, literally calls other haters to come, and now your whole video is just hate. No, I don't like that. Now I'm very strict, eh? I'm very strict, Shem. That's why I just block. Because I posted going to Travis, and then I blocked this other person because they're like, where are you getting your money? Like, why are you pocket watching? Firstly, I can that thing. I understand that, but there's no need to pocket watch. Just enjoy somebody living their life. You get me? Like, guys, like some of us, we stay at home. So I'm gonna enjoy my life. I've spent 7 years in uni. Surely, I can live my life. You know, when I was done with uni, I wanted to go to honors. And my mom was like, when you need to live your life, you know? So that's what I'm doing. I'd rather eat noodles. I'd rather go to a Travis Scott concert and eat noodles for the rest of the month because life is meant to be lived. You get me? I'd rather go for experiences than to just sit at home. That's literally like some people, genuinely speaking, they're sacrificing something to go to these concerts. So, but I don't know, Genze high. I could have been at the mall, Maragana Chelet, but I'm very happy because I got to experience Travis Scott. I got to experience Homecoming. Like, you're content, really. Boyti, I am 25. But Taylor, I have negative colleagues. How I wish we didn't have an open plan office. Yo, I'm so sorry about that. That time Abanale video A1. Exactly. So like the people that hate the most, they don't even post videos themselves. Federe upilanyana byang, you couldn't tell who you're sick. How are you feeling today though? I'm feeling way better. I was in the trenches this week. It's only now I'm getting better. I went to my doctor on Wednesday. Then I went back to him yesterday and he's like, dog, what the jaha, you're gonna get better, just relax. So I'm happy that I'm feeling much better. But me being sick showed me why I don't like Joburg. Because this week I went to an Airbnb to rest in Sandton. And guys, I came back sick. I came back sick. And I'm just like a lot of people say, no, I must move to Joburg. I'm not gonna move to Joburg anymore. Like I've saw what I needed to see. You get me? Because when I came back, this was me in uni. I'd spend 200 on groceries, but group exactly what's ish. Why I got DVS and no, Ish Michelle, I'm not a big fan. I don't really listen to his music like that. I'm going straight to you. When I get there, my doctor's like, did you travel? I'm like, yes. He's like, where did you go? I'm like, no, I went to Sandton. And my doctor's like, yeah, I'm sorry, but the air pollution in Johannesburg is really bad. And that is what aggravated your sign. Are you feeling sick? I'm like, air pollution. And he's like, yeah, there's this triangle of these three areas. He mentioned Val and something and something. And within that triangle, the air pollution is so high. And even around that triangle, Jozi, Kabuyona, has bad air quality. And that affected me. And I was struggling. Like, guys, like if you saw my face, it was like red because I was just congested. And he's like, yeah, you just inhaled bad air. And at least you're back home now, So, yeah, now I'm better. But yeah, that's why I'm like, I wouldn't live in Joburg if that's the case. Please do a makeup tutorial on the makeup you did. Oh yeah, you do. I'm definitely going to post a detailed makeup tutorial. My favor's life. I just finished watching Mr. Paula Pedofodzo. Ish when I didn't like that podcast, yeah, the Married at First Sight cast. I feel like those people love attention. It's so boring now. Like the show is done. Yeah, it's really bad. I stay in fours and I've been coughing for 2 to 3 weeks straight. Yes, so that's what my doctor said. My doctor's like, a lot of people in Joburg probably think they have flu. Marasi flu, ke air pollution. I understand? And I'm like, that's so crazy. Like, I went to my doctor thinking I caught the flu because when I left Pretoria, it was like cloudy. When I got to Joburg, it's just very hot. So I'm thinking maybe the change of weather. You're not in Ntakadzeni. The doctor's like, nah, girl, the air pollution there is really bad. Eh. Trust him on the air quality. It's really bad. Yeah, dog. And I've been coughing for a while now. Yeah, Balisa, it's the air pollution. Like, yo, 3 hours of nonsense. Who cares? Like, it's over. Yeah, so, like, me, that podcast in Borile. So, yeah, I've just been healing from the air pollution thing. But I'm better now. You know, the air in Pretoria is way, way better. And that's very interesting because Pretoria does have factories, but I think what's great about Pretoria is that the factories are like on the outskirts. They're not like deep in like the burbs and the Pretoria Central and stuff like that. Like most of these factories and stuff are like there. You get me? Whether it's in Joburg, everything is just yeah. So yeah, and my doctor's like, yeah, if you are thinking of moving to Joburg, I think you need to relook that. So instead of moving to Joburg, I think I'd rather save up for a car. I'd rather travel between Josie and Pretoria than to live there, honestly. And that's why it's better for Joburg, for it to rain in Joburg, because at least the rain brings like a fresh breeze. You get me? But not even Cape Town. No, I'm not gonna live in Cape Town. No. Joburg missed that part of having industrial areas in the outskirts of the city. Yeah, Botelo, like it's actually quite serious. Like I'm surprised that there hasn't been a lot of political parties that push environmental policies, because there's something very bad happening in Joburg. And what makes me sad is the fact that there's probably so many people that have died because of air pollution, but it wasn't investigated. They just write it off as nevalwala, or you'd get people saying that no, they just got sick out of the blue. Can the lungs they are fail because of the air pollution. It's so sad. I've never been outside of KZN. Pretoria and Josie are in the same place. No, they're not in the same place. Same province, but not in the same place. But yeah, guys, that podcast, yeah, Married at First Sight with McG, I didn't like it because, firstly, these people are liars, bro. Like, I feel like in some instances, yes, their stories may be true, but I feel like in other instances, it's just like by the way a person is talking, I can tell that you're lying. Like when someone tells their story and they like exaggerate, you're lying. And my thing is, with the things that they bring up on this podcast, why didn't they bring them up at the reunion? Why didn't they bring them up with production at the reunion? You get me? Because at the reunion, Lebile, those experts were there. And if it's such a concerning issue, surely you'd bring it up at the reunion so that the experts can take accountability for the things that were happening. So now, I, personally, I wanted to see Portia in the Porsche. And now you can tell the difference between the real people and the others. Because the real people didn't go on MacG's podcast. And that's just the truth. That's just Miss E. Exactly, Miss E. And then Batuba the vape on top of that. Yeah, that podcast was distasteful. And my thing is, for the longest time in my videos, I've been saying that Tepelepa is Batuan. Batuan. And I can see that because at first I was thinking, in the show, I used to think that, okay, no, Balisa is like this because of how Tepo has been treating her, which is valid, you know. But when you go to the podcast and she still continues to talk like that, it makes me wonder, like, is that the real her? Like the way she finds it so easy to like body shame and to say such distasteful things. And I'm like, maybe this is the real you. And then we were just making excuses for you because it was convenient, because there was a person to blame. But on the podcast, the things that you're saying, no, I don't. Lemakoto lena, like the things that these people say, guys, it's very distasteful in my opinion. They are like the male and female versions of themselves. Exactly. Honestly, they could have just had Bongani Luvalo there to also promote the book. Hey Kuda, she begged to be on that podcast, and they're older. Exactly. And elevatova hole. And elevatova hole. Yeah, Nalema got the two peas in a pod. Even Tebo and Pastor Breezy. Because now, the way Pastor Breezy's personality is on this podcast versus what he was showing us on the show, we can absolutely 100% confirm that he was putting up an act. Pastor Breezy didn't have that bright personality on Married at First Sight. And it just further shows that, like, he scripted himself, essentially, for the show. And now I understand why Makoto was saying, Hore, this guy off camera and on camera, he's two different people. She was right. It was cringe to watch like 30 minutes. Yeah, I only watched like, I only watched like 20 minutes. I'm like, yeah, I'm tired of this. I've only seen snippets on TikTok. That's what I said about Nkululeko. He was definitely acting. Guys, that chat, yeah, Pastor Busy, Amadlozi and ancestors. Like, guys, hey, Pastor Liana made us be on his side so that Makoto looks like a horrible person. Exactly. Like, all of these people were just putting up an act. Like, that's my conclusion. The show was not scripted. Married at First Sight is not scripted. These people individually scripted themselves when they went onto the show. Like, genuinely speaking, they scripted themselves. Yeah, we also need different experts. This season was a mess, actually. I think Tavang was right that Nkululeko played it cool. Definitely. They're milking. They really are. And what's funny is that, like, we're over it. Like, what? Nah, make no mistake. Makoto's a horrible person. She is. All of them are. All of them are. They're not nice people. And my thing is, we've moved on. Like, I think Makoto and Balesa and their partners are blondes. Could be. I haven't seen the episode of Black Coffee. I'm not interested in Black Coffee. Did you guys see that Lorata is suing people? Charge. Charge. And my thing is, like, I think seeing what Larato did confirmed to me why I should stay the way I am. Because if you haven't noticed, if you look at my profile, it's just TV shows and movies, right? And even with Married at First Sight, so many people tag me on the MacG podcast. They tag me on the Engineer Your Life podcast. They tag me on all of these things. This girl was like, when are you doing a review on the podcast? And I'm like, in the comments where she commented that, I was like, there's nothing to review. Because once the show is done, guys, get on mobile. I get it any. I get it. Guys, na tabayaka ifella mo TV. I'm not a journalist. I've never been a journalist. I'm not even gonna start. You understand? Now I just review what I see on my TV. Anything outside of my TV has nothing to do with me. That's why sometimes when people ask me about them, I'm like, yo, na levi la guy level. You know, like I just don't care, because I know that the people that we're seeing on TV versus what's happening on like the outside is two different things. And now we end up contradicting ourselves, because now it's like what we were seeing on TV is a lie, but it wasn't a lie because it's their actions. And then now we also have to now listen to what's happening outside of TV. Is too much. But anyway, as I was saying, in relation to Larato, my thing is, when we start to, it's one thing reviewing what you see on TV because it's TV. But when you start talking about people and their personal lives outside of TV, it gets very tricky, because in as much as I'm entitled to my own opinion, I must also be cognizant of the fact that it's this person's real life. You get me? Like, I can then make a video saying, oh, guys, did you see Larato's wedding? It was so beautiful. Oh, guys, did you see that somebody leaked Larato's thing? But how is Lerato feeling about that? You know, and that's what I saw with a lot of people that do like pop culture and stuff like that. They make videos about certain situations that happen with people's lives, but they don't realize that whatever you're saying in that video, you must be able to stand on it, you know, because it has to do with someone's personal life. If it's on TV, it's on TV. You get me? There's a big difference between TV and real life. And that's why I don't want to be a journalist. I don't want to make videos updating you guys on people, updating you guys on the taba, because it's a tricky slope. It's very easy for you to get a defamation lawsuit. Even if you're telling the truth, that's the crazy part. Even if you're telling the truth, that's the crazy part. Would you ever get a henna tattoo? I don't think so. I'm a very sensitive girl. Already I use Allergex lotion on my body, so I don't want to cause problems. Just like individual lashes, I wouldn't do them because I'm a sensitive person. It's crazy that they're all going to podcast. We have become so comfortable with promoting infidelity. It reeks desperation. For the life of me, I can't understand why people would want to follow her man. Exactly. Like why? Like how would that affect your life? Like, hey guys, but talking about low, you easy. They most probably just want to stay relevant with people's real stories. Exactly. And I'm not interested like that. And I think it also stems from how I'm not even a lifestyle creator. So, in as much as I don't want people to talk about my life, then I won't talk about anybody's life. I'll just talk about what I see on TV. You get me? Well, I would have loved to give you one. I only use natural ingredients. Natural ingredients. I'll think about it, Mamu. Others, so they want to see, so they can see problems to validate born. Yeah, like guys, like hey guys, people invade your privacy. Hey, you are. Mm-mm. People really invade your privacy, and that's so sad to me because you want to keep certain things to yourself, but people feel so entitled. Like the moment you post, people feel so entitled to you. It's so crazy. Like batho ba ka o lata go di DM ba re wena e ka video, and I'm just like, good morning, I just woke up. You know, like, can I brush my teeth? Can I live my life? You know. And I've seen that with myself because people become so entitled. Like people would literally send so many DMs saying, "Hi, where's the video? Did you see McG? Did you see it?" I was just like, guys, relax. Relax. Nah, I'm very strict. So you get a video when you get a video. Nah, you'll get a video when you get a video. Yeah, I did go to Loreto. But yeah, guys, how do you even cope with all that? I just mize. I'm very good at mizing. Like, and that I think that's what happened as well when I posted my video yesterday and people started sending hate comments. Like, I just took off my video. Like, it's really that easy. Like, I can't allow something to affect my life. Like, if somebody gives me a call and they're telling me nonsense, I'm just gonna drop the call because I'm very good at detaching. Like, otlasala, let's on. And so I get on, I'm very strict. Like, I got a call from this guy. I got a call. This guy's like, hi. I'm like, hi. Arun. Okay. And I'm like, I'm good. Who am I speaking to? Because it's just a number. Moto Ari. How come you don't remember me? I don't remember you. What? Like one thing about me, I will delete I will delete, I will block, and I will move on. Like I will move on. Like, yeah, the video at Airbnb. Like I'll delete and I'll move on. So this guy called me thinking her ogra love bag. And I'm just like, firstly, who are you? And he's like, no, you don't even remember my voice. I'm like, my bro, I don't keep a voice bank in my head of people's voices that I should remember. No, I don't remember you. And the person is like, no, how come you're so heartless? How come you're so cold? Why can't you at least pretend that we're good? Just ask me how I am. I'm like, because I don't care. Like, I don't care. I will. Yeah, Julia, I'm going to repost it, but I'm going to take out what people don't like because I'm not going to explain myself to people. You see, I'm not. If I say I like the view and you say there's no view, you don't like the view, then okay. It says Salang, it's my memory. I like the view. But I'm not going to be in my comment section trying to convince you to see what I see. Clearly, we don't see the same thing. Clearly, we don't have the same perspective. It's fine. But I draw the line when you start to disrespect me. That's what we're not going to have. So I'll just I took down the video. I'll take out the part that people don't like and I'll keep it to myself because it's my memories. And I'll post the video again. Yeah. Yes, Palisa, I don't keep a voice bank of people, you know. I've had the view commenting from their beds. Nahana fela zo. And hero velela, batlori. So this guy spent like 10 minutes trying to like make me feel bad for not taking him back. And I'm just like, I moved on. Like, you know. I think what changed my perspective was like, before coming to TikTok and creating my videos, I worked on myself. So once I started posting my videos, I have a very like healthy way of dealing with things, you get me? So that's why I don't even fight people. I just block you because it shouldn't affect me like that. Like I think years ago I saw this other person say, how can you get cyberbullied? Just switch off your phone. And I'm like, that's interesting actually, because if you're looking at the comments and you're paying attention to them, then you're giving it your time. But you could just like put your phone down and live your life. So that's why I don't take people seriously anymore. Silly season you told me lower half I got the love bag. Wena. Na di love bag gana go. And one thing I noticed about life, name, if you guys have a thing where like old people start hitting you up or people start coming back, don't take them back because it's a lesson that you should learn. You get me? So now I know every time someone from the past hits me up, I know that I have to like just blow. I mustn't entertain them, because if I entertain them, then that lesson is going to repeat itself and then I'm not going to move forward onto the next phase of my life. You get me? And another thing, I know that when people from the past hit me up, I know a very big blessing is coming, because somehow, baloiva kono smela he onani the blessings. Now I know the biggest indication that I know that okay, I'm gonna get a life-changing email is when a person from the past hits me up. So that's why I just block. Like number elang phone I don't know, how can you just block me from all? You keep repeating the same mistakes because you are not stopping it. You get me? You keep on meeting the same men because you're not stopping it. Like it happened. Guys, trust me, the men that I have dealt with, guys, they were all the same person. And I had to sit down with myself and I had to be like, girl, why you keep attracting the same person? Why only so? Because at the end of the day, kaba entertainer. So nale nangena problem. I understand. Nale na somewhere I have a low self-esteem because I accept what they're doing. So I had to color myself and I had to tell myself, Hore, listen, you need to stop it. I know you love the attention, but you need to stop it. And I stopped it. And now I don't like attract those men anymore. Sometimes you just have to like color yourself, eh? Interesting take. I needed this. Nah, shout out. My name means make me happy. Are you going to do a review, Gabo Palo Salamakoto? Nah, the show is done. That's so true. I entertained an ex back in June and I've had so many setbacks since that. Wawanazu, you need to stop. It's time to move on. I'm building again. My confidence plummeted. Exactly. Sometimes when you keep on like attracting the same men, we need to like take a step back and see what it is about them that's keeping us there. And now I saw that what was keeping me with these men is the attention that they gave me. You see? Nah, I haven't watched Hunting Wives, but I'm gonna do a video now. Ooh, okay, got fast. I have to go because I have to post a video about the woman in cabin 10. I'm dealing with acne right now, but I promise myself that I will not connect with my bullies. Listen, the best thing you can do for yourself when it comes to having acne is to just accept yourself the way you are. Like, genuine chats. Like, a lot of people tell me, oh, your skin improved and stuff like that. And it improved because I just let go of trying to be perfect. I let go of trying to have clear skin because you become so obsessed and you become so like, you start to like have a low self-esteem because you're focusing on something that you think is not making you perfect when you actually are perfect the way you are. Like Nasha Mbana, I've had acne since high school and that was years ago, and it did a number to my self-esteem. Hey wena, Bilani, go watch The Women in Cabin 10 right now. Get off this live and go watch it. Oh, I've also stopped obsessing. Exactly. And I think also another thing is like the people you surround yourself with also plays a big role. If you surround yourself with people that continuously highlight something that you don't like about yourself, then that also makes it worse. You know, like I told my mom that like, Mama, I don't like it when you keep on focusing on my skin. And she's like, nah, I'm sorry. I was just trying to help. I'm like, thanks for the help, but I think I'm fine the way I am. And she stopped. And when it comes to my dad and stuff, I just cut them off my life. So now I'm surrounded by people that say I'm beautiful just the way I am. Obsessing over acne is gonna be like your 13th reason because it's not something that's gonna be like, it's not something that you can deal with right now. Like I've accepted that with my acne, I'm not like other people. Guys, people can literally say they use the product for 2 days and their acne is gone. And I'm like, yeah, now it takes me a year. Like, now it takes me a year for my skin to show improvement. Like, my skin, doesn't show improvement within 1 week, 2 weeks. Now it takes me a year. Yeah. Oh, I love you too, Lorato. I've actually removed skin talk off my algorithm. It's becoming unhealthy for me. Now that's good. I don't even have skin talk on my algorithm. My algorithm is full of jokes. It's my algorithm is so fun. gloss skin. Like, exactly. Like, I know it's something that's attainable, but it's not realistic for me. You get me? Like, nah, I just listened to my doctor even told me that, like, dog, some things you're just gonna outgrow them. Like, some things they're just gonna get better with time. You don't have to focus on it. Like, there was even a time where, like, I used to struggle so much with asthma, and my doctor was like, girl, trust me, when you grow up, you're gonna outgrow it. And now I don't have asthma anymore. But I used to obsess over it so much, like, back then. You get me? Like, some things you just have to let time take its course, you know? And with me, I think when it comes to skincare, I want to be realistic. I want when people to see me, I want you guys to see that it's my real life. You get me? That's why even when it comes to skincare brands, I've had like 3 skincare brands reach out to me and I've declined their offers because it's not realistic for me to be using multiple products because I don't use multiple products. You get me? Like, the only skincare you see on my profile is Nivea because I only use Nivea because I want to see how far I can go with it because I know that my skin takes a long time to get better. So I've been using it throughout the year and my skin is improving. Now, it doesn't make sense that when the contract is over, I must then hop onto another skincare brand just for the sake of money. You get me? And I'm going to tell you guys that it works, but I don't even use it in my own personal life. You see, that's the disconnect that I have with some influencers is that, like, yes, you're skincare influencers, but it's over consumerism at one point. Like, so many skincare products, no, guys, they are dura dilo tse. Like, they are dura dilo tse. Like, no, they are dura. Like, they are dura. Like, they are dura. Like, I'm so realistic because I'm just like, guys, like, you're like these people that, like, they have so many brands that they work with, and I'm just like, when does your skin get time to swallow all of these products? When? You know? When does your skin get time to swallow all of these products? Like, that's why now I just stick to me. Nahana the serum 10 in this economy. Exactly so. Like, I have one serum. Nah, I have one serum. I have one night exfoliator, sunscreen, fella. Like, there was a point where I used 3 serums and my skin was burning, my boy, because why the hell am I using 3 serums? Kapapa. Kapapa. And at least do not forget one serum is like 2 something. Like, no, man. I had to take a step back and say, our girl, relax. Please do beginner-friendly makeup buys for people with skin problems. Ooh. I'll try. It'll be hard, though, because I don't use, like, a lot of makeup products. Like, I'm that person that's brand loyal. So if one thing works for me, I won't change it. Like, so many people hate LA Girl, and I'm still using LA Girl because it works well. Like, skin matchy. I understand that. So I'll I'll try to do a video just for you. One of each. Hey. No, I'm not going to Friends of Amstel. No, I'm not going there. So yeah, I'm a brand loyal person, guys. You have to do introspection, Mukadi. Yes, I had to do introspection. And I'm also very, like, brand loyal. Like, I'm that one person, like, if something works out for me, I don't see a need to change it at all. And also, I don't like over consumerism. Same, Neutrogena has been my go-to since high school and it works wonders. I'm glad it works well for you. I'm glad. And you get those people that comment saying, oh, I've used this, but it doesn't work. People should comprehend that everybody has different skin types. So if it doesn't work for you, it doesn't mean that the product doesn't work. It's just that it's not for you. You get me? Katleho, I'm never going to debrief that podcast because the show ended. I've said all I've had to say, really. Like, batho ba rata attention and ra re ba fa yona. That's the worst part of it. Like, nah, the show is done. I've moved on. They should also try to move on, honestly. Sobs ish. I'm sorry to break your guys' heart, hey. They must move on. Me, I'm not a journalist, hey. So as kiss guys, like shame guys. I'm not a journalist. Ish. Had a brass. And also they take no accountability. Then they continue to say the most vile things. Exactly. Like, if a person is problematic, I think we must leave them alone. Like, if they're narcissistic, let's just leave them alone because they're not going to change. Clearly, they don't want to change. Chomi, go watch The Woman in Cabin 10. But we love your commentary. Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate that. It's just that my commentary is based on things that matter. Yeah. So I'll do commentary on TV shows, movies, and moments in pop culture, like things that matter. Like, I'll do a commentary on Travis Scott because I went there because it's such a big moment. Meg G, Livo Balesa is not a big moment. They were on TV, they got their share of fame. Now they want more. Pa greedy, batho. I'll check Hunting Wives because Kinya Govana why or Aura did lots of snacks as well. I finished Woman in Cabin 10. Yeah, it's really good. But greedy ga fame. Exactly. Like I'm that type of person. If I don't have anything nice to say, I'll shut up. Because now if I make another video, I'm going to call them out for the fact that like they're not realizing the fact that we can see the kind of people that they are. Them going on this podcast is them just showing people that they really are like this. You get me? Like, I don't think there's anything we can take away from that podcast. I don't think there's anything we can learn from that podcast. Most of my commentary and my reviews are based off of topics that we can learn from, topics that we can talk about, like things that matter. There's nothing that matters in that podcast because how do you even know that they're telling the truth? How am I then going to make a video if I can't confirm or deny what they say? You get me? Like, now I'm stressed about it. Chum, you don't know when will Big Brother start replying to us. No, I'm not. I don't know. I give it a go, Big Brother. How are these people? They got like 14 episodes. No, not 14. That's an exaggeration. They got like, what, 10, 11 episodes. And now they still want more. How have I greedy cafe? Yeah, Kevin. But I think, Julia, in as much as it would have worked out well as a series, I kind of liked it as a movie. Because it's just straight to the point. Me, I've had my braids for like a month and a half now, going to 2 months. I always keep my braids for long because I want my hair to grow. All right, thank you. They're holding us hostage. Kadi data tsa rona. O bana marazo. Exactly. But now I think I'm gonna go watch. I need to watch Youngings. Like I love this weather so much. It's so lovely. The weather must stay like this for like a week. That would be so lovely. Thank you, live flowers. But yeah, hey guys, I just need to go make a video and post it. And then I think I'm gonna go buy new linen because there's a sale at Mr. Price Home. There's a sale at the comforter. I saw the comforters went down from like 700 to 500, and now they're like 178. So I need to go buy a new bed because I'm tired of my bed now. You have to go to campus the whole week. This will make it hard. And funny enough, a campus when the weather's like this is so refreshing because how physically it's like you can just walk and feel like you're in a movie. I like going to campus in this weather. I like going to the library and the study room in this weather. Yes, I mean 178. The comfort I get 178 go Mr. Price Home. Bye Zoe, and you must enjoy it. Hathundumela ke go di event tse feng mara ke sa greedy invite. Exactly, is Paula. Campus is quiet because everybody's in bed. Oh, banamara. Hey, and this one. Wanyana show it. Hey. But yeah, I'm gonna go now. And yeah, I'm tired because I'm sick. I'm sick, but I'm getting better, so that's good. Now I just need to make my video. Ratarao. Aishem, Musona, you're not having a nice time right now. Because Kishodi Lodi quiet. But anyway, I gotta go now, guys. See you when I post my video. Yeah. Anyway, bye, guys. I just wanted to say I like your videos on shows. Oh, thank you, Andiswa. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all your support. And I saw, and there's some people that like, they try to copy me, but I'm just like, am I surprised? Like, there's this one girl, after I made the video about Big Brother, she copied my video word for word. Like, guys, I actually, the only thing she did different was to translate in English. And she wrote down everything word for, like, she wrote down everything word for word. And then people started tagging me in the comments, and then she took the video down. And I'm just like, why would I go visa? Yeah. Like, yeah. Plagiarism, man. No. I have a lot of growth because I've had my braids in for more than a month, which is good. I get a lot of growth, hey? Love it for me. And I have growth, but I'm not gonna relax. I'll relax again next year. I'll relax again next year, honestly. Yeah. The only thing I'm happy about is that I don't have dandruff. So that's a good sign. But yeah, I just feel like what kills content creation is the fact that, like, you'll do such a video, you'll put in your effort, you come up with a concept, you execute it, you edit it, you film it, and then people copy you. It's so boring. Like, so many times I felt like just saying, let me just leave this, because I hate being copied, guys. Like, I love individualism so much. Like, I'm an Aquarius. We love being different. And when people copy me, it's just like, ugh. Like, I feel like when a person copies me, they're taking away a part of myself. I don't like that. So much growth. What do you apply on your hair when braided? I apply the braid spray at Dark and Lovely Fela. Do I wash my hair? I probably should more frequently, but only probably just once. I only do it like once because katswafa. I don't want to lie. No, I'm not going to apply for Big Brother. People must get a chance. Like, I already have a big platform. I feel like let's give other people a chance. Oh, Masai, I was just saying that I don't like it when people copy me. The person that copied me took down their video, but it's just like, so annoying. But it's part of the game. But I'm gonna go now. I have to make my video. And it's getting darker. And I wanted to go to Mr. Price, but these clouds are looking like it's gonna storm. Did they copy you word for word? Yep. Like, with the thing, I bother change her sentence. Like, everything, like what I said in my video, it's verbatim. Like, yeah, guys, I was so flabbergasted. Like, and it's not the first time. But I'm just like, every time I come across somebody that copies me, I just block them because, yeah, monitoring spirit at this point. And when I get people tag me on the video, and I was like, oh. And one thing I love about TikTok is that when someone copies you, because your things are the same, it's bound to show up on your For You page. So I saw the video, right? And then people tagged me, and then I saw that they tagged me on the video that I saw. But when that person dropped that video, it literally appeared on my For You page because it's the same thing. For other people, yes, they bookmark because they want to watch it later and stuff, but they said, So that's why now when it comes to like, I just keep to myself, guys. Like, I get a now I just keep to myself. I do my job. Yeah, anything outside of that, I just give it to God. When I saw that video of me being copied, I literally just blocked that person and I prayed and I said, God, you'll handle it. Like, God, please protect me. That's like, I just give it up to God because there's nothing I can do. If it's beyond my control, I'm not gonna stress about it. Again. When I perseverance, mo blog. I had a friend like that, and I think that's why I find it so easy to deal with such people, because I literally had a friend that would dress how I dress, do everything that I do, like, and then but we're twins. No, we're not twins. One go be money, and it got to a point where the way she loved copying me, and again, morning, I tested it because I'm like, okay, we're in matric, and it was time for us to like pick where we're gonna study, what we're gonna do. Yeah, narato a doctor, and she wanted to be doctor. She loved medicine. Even the subjects that we took were not the same. You see, in matric, I took visual arts, and I took tourism and EGD. because at baby and what I wanted to study only needed maths and English, you get me. But she wanted to do medicine, so she did physical science, she did natural science, she did maths, like she did the serious subjects. She's like, what are you gonna apply for? I'm like, no, I'm gonna apply for law. I don't put this CD baby. Let apply for law. And I'm like, Wena, what do you mean you got accepted for law? Because you like medicine. And she's like, nah, I just had a change of heart. Change of heart young. And now, but you know what I did? You know, I literally dropped out of law and I didn't tell her. And then like 2 years later, she was like, I'm really struggling with law. How are you coping? I'm like, no, I'm also struggling. Mind you, I've moved on with my other modules. But because we're papa, because we're kopisa, you have now set yourself down a path that you don't even know. So yeah, I'm an op like that. Like, I told her I took law and then I dropped law. And then she continued with law and I never told her that I dropped law. And then when I graduated from because it was my first degree, when I graduated, my mom posted me. And then her mom saw my mom's post. And then her mom was like, no, congratulations that she graduated. She's now going to be a lawyer. And then my mom also kept up the lie. Like, yeah, I'm so proud of her and doing very well. Then I say that alone. And she's like, yeah, and now she's still struggling. She hasn't graduated yet. But that's what you get for copying people. So enough perseverance. No, I get it today. This weather is not for going out. This weather is for chilling. Super chilling. Shame, Ubutagad. Yeah, like some people you can tell that they just want to be destiny snatchers. Some people you can tell that they just want your blessings. So they think that if they copy you, they're going to get the same blessings as you. But that's not the case. Our blood is not the same. You can copy how I speak. You can copy what I say. You can copy how I dress. But our blood is not the same. Unfortunately, it's just that they don't want to accept that. This weather's for rotting in bed. Exactly why I'm in bed. Well, understand? You get me, Siho. I don't know why I'm feeling attacked, but me and my friends somehow have the same style. No, but that's not a problem. You guys, as long as you guys are healthy about it, as long as you guys have a sense of individualism. Like, I have a friend now, her and I love pants. It's just that she has her own style and I have my own style. You get me? But we love pants. I sort of want Kobisa when she gets pants and I get pants, or when she gets a jean that I bought. We just love pants, but we still have our own sense of individuality. You're unique, babe. No DNA or fingerprint can define you. Exactly, Buisile. That's why I don't get people that like try to copy, because at the end of the day, you're still not going to be me. And I feel like I'm copying her. But why do you feel like you're copying her, Adile? Do you feel like you're copying her because you know that you buy what she buys? So when you buy stuff, do you bought it, or do you buy it because you like it? Because if you buy it because she bought it, then side eye. But if you buy it because you like it, then there's nothing wrong with that. Hey. Now. About a Netflix review, so I have to go. No, I'm happy that works for you, Hope. Yeah, so I have to go, guys. I'll see you guys in my video. Yeah, but anyway, guys, bye.